So the event is going extremely well. It's not over. We're just in the middle of it because there's so many students. I understand there are over 7,000 students that are here, that we are so excited to address them. So that when they do go to America, they can save time, they can save money, and go easily right into university.
You have a specific need, you have a desire, and we want to help fulfill that desire. We want to put you on a pathway of career success.
Africanoችን support ያደርጋል especially
so that we can uplift our and the ambition of our communities, and that's something that everybody is saying the same thing, that we are trying to work together to help each other.
እና ዛሬ ይሄንን በመገኘት የምንጠቅሙኛል ኦልሬዲ ስኮላርሺፕ እንዴት እንደሆነ ፕሮሰሱን ኤክስፒሪየንሱን አላውቅም ነበር። ኦልሬዲ ያለፉበት ሰዎች ተመልሰው መጥተው ደግሞ እኛን ለማገዝ መምጣታቸው እሱ አስደስተኛል።
I think they're settled. They have their arms folded. They look like they're ready for business.
Thank you. I enjoyed being here, absolutely.
በጣም ጥሩ ነው፣ ይጠቅማቸዋል ነው